Hello. Today I'm going to show tattoo paper or tattoo application. This is the temporary tattoos bought off of Amazon and has the Oogie Boogie on it. And I'll show you how to apply it. Fairly easy. Pain in lining it up, especially for these bigger ones. And I've already cut mine out. So all of this at the top, I want it to show. And then a little bit of the bottom is going to go over the bottom edge. And then we'll just fold it down. So in applying it, you got to take the top plastic layer off. Now once you do that, you do not want to touch the picture, because it will take the picture off. So big and hard. Alright. So do not touch the picture once you take the plastic off, okay? So I got the plastic off. And then I know that I want to have it at the top, touching the top on that edge. And the middle part is going to be the hard part. So you're going to have to be very careful. And usually start with the middle and getting it wet. Right. So what I have is I have a bowl of water. I have a rag. I've wet it. And I'm going to start in the middle. And I'm gonna squeeze some of the water out first, kind of give it some flexibility there. All right. Let's try to get this down some. So you will get some wrinkles because of the curve. Alright, I'm going to wet the rag and I'm going to start wetting it. I'm going to start from the middle bottom. And go down. You got to keep it very still, because you don't want it to move. Make sure you got the bottom, all sides, and get it all to the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to start going to the top. Get some more water on there. Soak it thoroughly. Just like a temporary tattoo if you were putting it on your arm. Alright. Let's start peeling it away. I know we went over the edge. I was expecting that because of the size. And then we got some wrinkles in the middle. Alright. Try to get those down. Let's see. Use. Alright, I'm going to use that kind of a flexible paintbrush. flatten the bottom. Okay. And then where you got the bubble in the middle, try to get that as flat as possible. Yes, you're going to have wrinkles, but with this picture, it's definitely okay. Okay. Just trying to get all the little bubbles out. Kind of like a water slide. Just don't get too rough with it. Okay. So I laid that down as much as I could. You do have wrinkles. And then any place else, just try to flatten it out, get the water out, air. With these, it kind of pops. You'll hear little snaps. Okay. Alright, there you go. Now what I'll end up doing is I'm going to put a tattoo on the other side as well. And then I will use alcohol inks in between and around to darken it out. And then I already have a white glitter base, but I have a glow in the dark micas inside the epoxy as well. So this will be a glow in the dark, Oogie Boogie, and Jack Skellington. But that's the easiest way to apply one of these large tattoos. Hope that helps. Like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Please share my videos so I get more subscribers.